Hello everyone, so today's video is very interesting. I'm gonna lock myself out of the car and I'm gonna open this door, you can see, and I'll show you how I do it. It's gonna be a real test, and I have this tool. I purchased this from Lowe's. In case of emergency you can get this thing. It's 4 feet, but if you get one with 5 feet or 6 feet is better. Look at this thickness, so you can easily bend it and open this door, and you should be able to unlock the door. Okay, so I'm gonna lock myself out. Here is the key, and let's just lock it. All the doors are locked, and only way to get in the car is gonna be open with this tool. Okay, so the door is locked. Let me show you. Lock, 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 and lock. So let's do a real test and show you how I do it. I never did it with this car, so it's gonna be a little hard for me, so let's just try. I'm gonna show you because I want you to know just for yourself, so you can open your door in case of an emergency. You should be able to find a Lowe's or Home Depot and get this tool. As you can see here, is 4 feet 3 by 16 inch. Okay, so first I'll put this in my door, and you can easily pump it, and let me show you. So you want to put it on the middle or to the top, so you can reach the door. So let me show you closer. This is not gonna damage your car. Let's just press this one to take the air out. I'm pretty much in all the way, and I can see the bag here. It went right in. So let's just pump it. With each and every pump, the door is coming outward. Sometimes this could break your door, but you wanna take the risk. If you wanna call the tow company, they will charge you like $50-60 or $100 just to open your door. Okay, so I think it's enough place to open. That's why you want to put it a little lower. So I bend this like this and that, or I can easily maneuver from here, and that's why if it is longer it's better. Here you can see this is going in. If there is like two person, they can show you, or they can tell you what to do. A lot of times it's dark and you can see from here, so if anyone on the other side, they can help you, or you just have to guess and do it. It could take a little bit of time. Look, if the longer is better, but I have only 4 feet. If it is a small car, maybe this is fine. Okay guys, So I was able to open. Now I'll take the air out. And open like this. So that's the purpose of my video. You can do it yourself and save yourself some money. I always keep this in my car, so in case of emergency I can use for others, or I have different cars, so in case if I need, I can help other. You always want to verify if it is really their car, or you don't want to do it, because sometimes people can lie and open someone else's car. Mostly you want to do it for yourself and anybody in your family member if they're stuck, so you can save some money. You just go there and help them. What do you think about this video? Again, air pump wedge, I purchased this from Temu. I paid only like $4, but it already helped me twice, and this is my third time using this bag. So it's pretty durable. You should be able to get it in Home Depot or Lowe's. They have this bag a little bigger, but it should be able to work. If the bigger is more durable. And make sure this you want to buy 5 feet. This is 4 feet, so it's pretty small. So if it is 5, it should be good. And thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.